During the presentation, you paid attention to your system purity concept V. Mm-hmm. What can you say about this optical inspection system?
I think it's going to be for the future an interesting tool for those companies that need to inspect incoming material, or maybe for producers of plastic material that are shipping material and they want to have a final inspection of the material. The point is, what kind of a technology do they have available today? They have this light table. And if you see a light table and you see, say, like 1,000 pellets on the light table, and now with a magnifying glass, you try to find contaminations. It all depends a little bit how relaxed you are, in the afternoon you are doing worse than in the morning. So basically you are depending on the human. This is what I tried to show in our presentation when we had 5 applicants and we say, please, here's a box of contaminated of pellets and please look for contaminations. Then it was clear they cannot see the amount of contaminations that we see in the machine. So it's basically automizing this process. And you get away from depending on people and on the eyes of the people. So I see a very bright future for this piece of equipment, specifically when you talk about a lot of different materials. It is so easy. You have about this amount, what I have here in water of pellet, put it on this tray, get it scanning, and you get the information. So it is basically so easy. And I think that's the message what I wanted to bring over, that there is a new technology available, which was in this way not available before. Yeah, so here you could even from the tray pick off the contaminated pellets and check it again, and you see, yes, I got all out. There are other equipment where the material is inspected, but they are not sorting. And here we definitely see which one are contaminated, and you can take those out. So a big future for that device, I would think.
You mentioned about center wave 6000 measuring system. For what application is it?
Basically, it was developed to measure bigger pipes, water pipes, gas pipes. And so we had before a technology that was based on X-ray, and we still have that piece of equipment, but that was for smaller pipes, say from medical application, from a diameter of 0.65 millimeters, and it could do also 90 or 100 millimeter pipes. But when it comes to bigger gas pipes, pressure pipes, the question is, how can you check all around at each point of the circumference? And then a system that measures only from 2 directions and therefore only measuring at 4 points, that is just not sufficient. You need to measure all around. And that technology is, so you could say, why did you not use this technology earlier? Say maybe something like 10 years ago. Why did you do all of this business with X-ray and not with that technology? I think 10 years ago, it's a kind of a radar technology. 10 years ago, this technology was just not available. But now these millimeter wave technologies, this radar technology is available, and it is also affordable. 10 years ago, it was available for military applications, but not for industrial applications. And so today we have these possibilities, and basically what is the demand of the industry? Basically it is process stability and material savings. And this is what we achieve. We do 100% quality control. We give the customers a feedback on their product, so to improve their processes, and at the end to reduce the wall thickness by an automatic control, and this way again saving material. Yeah, so
okay.
That's the idea.
What is the current state of Sikora company?
Now, Sikora is a company that started business 46 years ago. It's a private-owned company, today with about 300 people. And we started actually our business in the field of wire and cable. And today I think we have applications wire and cable, optical fiber, inspection and sorting with the purity scanner, millimeter wave for big wall thickness measurement. So a lot of different technologies, but as well many different applications. So it's wire and cable, it is plastics, it is as well optical fiber, and is hose and tube. So still the biggest part of our business is the wire and cable industry. But the other markets, you have to see sometimes we are a little bit ahead with the technology that we are offering to the market. And I think this is what we see right now. There are suddenly technologies available where the industry said, hello, what is this now? So, and how can we make use of that technology? And I think we are, the slogan, technology to perfection, is really something we are trying to be a technology leader.